Hi guys, myself Gaurav. I am here to tell you something about basic techniques which you can use in Staff Selection Commission combined graduate level exam or LDC lower divisional clerk or upper divisional clerk, what type of exam the Staff Selection Commission is taking. I am basically dealing with the reasoning portion. Yes, it is quite possible that several students make 40 45 questions out of 50, but most of the students not able to do like that. So I am here for that students, teaching them reasoning in a very simple trick, very simple manner. So I am starting episode 1, or we can say that session 1 of reasoning through very a simple portion. Our topic is paper cutting and paper folding. Now, firstly, we will deal with the little bit smaller or easy portion. Then we will head towards the some typical questions. So our first session will only on basic features or basic theme of paper cutting and paper folding. Then after later we will advance with further typical questions. Now I am just telling you, three types of folding will basically come. The first one will be horizontal, second will be vertical, and the last will be diagonal. This type of folding will be done in paper folding or paper cutting reasoning techniques. Or actually these types of questions are generally asked. Basically the general questions will come on this two types of folding, that is horizontal folding and vertical folding. I am not telling you that on diagonal folding no questions will come, but generally I am saying that most of the questions are coming on this two types of folding. Now for those students who do not know what actually this paper folding or paper cutting is, I'm just going to show them a little bit. I'm going to show them through example that what this paper cutting or paper folding is. As the name suggests that there will be paper, there will be some folding, and there will be some cutting. Okay, so fine. And the paper types of paper they will take generally, they may take rectangular paper, they may take circular paper, sometimes they may will take as a triangular paper. Okay, but most of the time they will take this rectangular paper. So we will also take this rectangular paper, and I will just showing you the simple techniques through which you can solve the paper cutting folding techniques within 15 seconds. 15 seconds you can solve any questions of paper cutting, not more than 15 seconds. Or even if you practice, you will even to done within 10 seconds, it's quite enough. So my first questions but the simple questions for the beginners. I am just taking a rectangular paper and now folding it. Now folding it from the middle. How will it look like? It will look like this. Now this was vertical folding. Now we will fold it horizontally from this portion. Now the paper will look like this. On the dotted portion shows you that this was the paper previously, now it has been folded and it look like this piece of paper. Now we take three punches here like this, and now the question will ask then how the paper will look like when we unfold all the portions. So very simple technique. I'm just enlarging this. this is the question given to you. So what you will have to do for solving this type of question, you will have to firstly draw mirror where the last folded portion, at the last folded portion, it is the last folded portion, so we'll draw mirror, and then after we will draw the mirror image. This is near to mirror, and so its mirror image will be here. It's farthest, so its mirror image will be here farthest, and it is in the middle. So we have done done in this portion and in this portion. We have already find what will be the punches mark. It is given here, so we will find what will the punches mark in this portion. Now for rest of the portion, we will go that this portion has been folded, so we will also make a mirror here and draw the mirror image simultaneously. This is nearer, so nearer. This is farther, so farther. It is in middle. So I have completed this third portion, and at last come to the last portion. It is nearer, nearer, farther, farther. Sorry, middle, middle, and this is farther portion. So in our paper, if suppose this is the paper, if we unfold all the portions, how it will look like? This 3,